Okay, so we're going to hit File, New, and create a new document. We're going to call this one Packaging Design Template. Now, we want to check that the size is A3, not A4, and that it is landscape, not portrait. So it's going horizontal. We then hit OK. So we've set up our document. We want to hit Control R to bring up our rulers. Now, at any stage you can always zoom in and out by pressing Control plus or Control minus, so you can toggle in and out. So what we're going to do now is to create some guides. So you need to click the ruler and drag. You need your guides to be at 10 millimeters from the border of the page. And that is for all four corners. So 10 millimeters from the border of the page, and we can see the 10 millimeters there. Now, we do the same on the opposite side. So 10 millimeters in, and let's just scroll down. We want to be 10 millimeters from the bottom. Now, if you can't really tell because the ruler isn't lining up, you can reposition the ruler by clicking in the top left-hand corner where that white box was and dragging down a new point. So I'm going to drag this crosshatch down to the bottom left corner of my page and let it go. And it's now changed where my ruler is, so I can now see, okay, that is 10 millimeters. We now select the line tool. You want to check that you do not want this, where there's red lines through it. That means it's going to be see-through. So the fill and the stroke is see-through. So I'm going to click this default fill and stroke. So now we've got the fill is white and the stroke is black. That means we'll be able to see it. We then click and drag along our guides. We're going to hold down Shift to make sure that our lines are nice and straight. So we'll do that around the whole border of our document. You can reposition your lines by clicking the black arrow and changing their size if you place them in the wrong spot. I'll just finish this off. So click and drag, and then we have the actual outline of our template. Okay, if you'd like to see the lines a bit clearer, you can actually remove these guides by selecting them. You just need to have the black arrow, select the guide and press delete. Now you can see this nice border here.